Hey, good morning. This is Don from Lang Specialty Trailers. It's a bright day and a busy day here in Latrobe, Pennsylvania, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of our 8-station laundry trailer. So both sizes of our laundry trailers, both the 4-station and the 8-station, are equipped with the same washer-dryer units. They're Samsung double stacks. The dryer is a 7.5 cubic foot that is fueled by propane, and the washer is a 4.8 cubic foot that is fueled by electricity and propane for the hot water. So this 8-station laundry trailer is equipped with two 13,000 BTU air conditioning units, as well as a ceiling fan to help exhaust all the hot air. We can also equip these laundry trailers with winter packages, rating them down to 0 degrees. So this trailer is equipped with a 750-gallon waste tank, two 100-pound propane tanks, and two 10-gallon per minute hot water heaters. So this 8-station laundry trailer is equipped with a wash tub or a slop sink and a folding table that pull up and locks into place. Hey, hopefully you enjoyed our walkthrough of our 8-station laundry trailer. If you want to see more videos, hit the like and subscribe button or check us out at www.langrestroomtrailers.com.